Alright, this is going to be pretty cool. Fixing to find out.
There are handles on the left and right of your cart.
Alright, there's
These
the
are your
handles.
controls. Push these forward to go, pull them back to slow down. The farther you push forward, the faster you'll go. Pull them back hard to stop quickly.
Alright, here we go. Alright, so that guy says that you could take this whole thing down and never touch the brakes, so I'm tempted to do that. I'm tempted, but I think I might be too much of a chicken. We'll see what happens. Uh-oh, her car didn't connect properly. She's got to get in a different one now. Yeah, and we're rolling. I'm not doing anything, hands free. Well, can you see behind? Well, I guess it wasn't completely broken, right? They took Tiffany out, they put him in. I guess when it doesn't look like it's safe, then they send one of the employees to test it out. So, bad day for you, right? While we're reaching the top. Good look at the hill. Here we go. All right, here we go. Woo-hoo. All right, we're rolling. Whoa! Dude, that was pretty rough. Oh. Yeah, I know you can do this without braking, but I'm braking, guys. Whoa. Track ends at 100 feet. All right. All right. Did you go no brake?
No brake.
Nice.
Not till it just said brake because you're getting too close. I think that was awesome. No brake. Did you hear me like, woo? That was you.
Well, good job.
That was my daughter. That was me. Yeah, I was like, woo! Like that for a 6-year-old.
Yeah.
Nope. That was awesome.
I chickened out, hit the brake because I had one hand. I'm like,
Oh yeah, heck no. I was like, yeah.
That was you, not the small child over here?
Nope, I didn't hear her screaming behind me. Nice.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, see, I'm hollering.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
All right, guys, that was a lot of fun. Georgia Mountain Coaster here in Helen, Georgia.
That was wicked fun, guys. If you are out here in Helen anytime soon, definitely give this a try. It's like $17 a person. If you want to ride again after that, it's half price.
Yep.
If you have long hair like me, you got to wear a clippy. Keep that hair up so you don't get it hooked in the coaster. And don't be a weenie. Don't use the brakes.
I was a weenie. I used the brakes. 'Cause I had to have one hand for the camera. That's my excuse.